Hello, Paul Davis team. This is Ricky here with a quick run through on how to add files to our SharePoint site for the Huddle using the OneDrive application. Real quick explanation, the SharePoint app is going to be something that we're probably going to try to avoid using for the time being until everybody gets a little bit more comfortable with this system. So for right now, I encourage all of you to start using the OneDrive application. OneDrive is going to be a simpler and more time-effective solution for accessing the Huddle. So with that, I'm going to just quickly get into this iPad here and show you the best ways to access these folders. So what I'm going to do is open OneDrive. If you don't have OneDrive set up already, please let me know. So now that I'm in here, what you'll probably see when you first log in is this files page. I actually have some folders in here. A lot of people in our company probably haven't been utilizing OneDrive, so you might not see anything here at all when you first log in. What you're going to want to do is go to this Sites button down here. When you hit Sites, it will show you all of the ones that you have access to, and I think most of us have gone through all the setup, so at this point the Huddle should be showing up here. If it's not, again, please let me know. So I'll go into the Huddle, and let's say I go to Documents here. And once I'm in here, I can go to a job. So I'll go to Emergency Services. And here's a test job that I set up just for testing this out. Now, once you're in this job, you have a couple different options. Whatever you might need to add. Say you need to add a job folder or a folder in this job file. So let's say I want to add a folder of new photos. So I'm going to go in here and you hit this plus button, and in that plus button you can hit one of 6 options. So there's scan, which actually allows you to scan documents straight into the application. Some different devices, the scan might also be rolled into the photos. On Android devices, I believe if you hit the scan button, that will also allow you to take photos. On iOS, for some reason, they're actually split up. So you can scan documents straight in. So say you have a work authorization or a sketch. Scanning is going to work a lot better. And I'll actually show you here. So if I hit scan, what this does is this allows me to find a document. I'll scan it. And after I scan it, I get a nice, clear scan of the document. So I'll say done. Okay, I can name it if I want. Otherwise, I'm just going to save it just so we can get through this. So now that I've scanned that, that's going to upload. You can see it says uploading. It's already done. The other options here are I can create a folder. So I'm going to name this folder, I'm just going to be really creative here and say test. You don't need to hit share because this folder is already accessible to the people that need it. So if we do need to share it with somebody externally, that's a different case. Please contact me before you ever start working on that. So now that that's done, I'm going to hit create here. And now I'm in this create test folder. There's nothing in there. So now I want to take a photo. I can take a photo straight into this application. So go ahead, take a photo. I'm going to use that one. Done. And then I can just keep doing that as I go, as many times as I need to. In other cases, say you already went on site and took a bunch of photos. For that, I'm going to hit upload. And next I can either browse and find documents that I've already saved to the device, or I can hit photos and videos. Now, there's a couple options. So hopefully this is clear enough. This is always going to show you your most recent photos. So I can either select these one at a time just by tapping on them, or if I want to get a more detailed look, I can press and hold on a picture. And I say, okay, yep, that's the one that I want. Then you just go next. And you see this little button right down here? That allows me to pick them as I go. So I can just keep clicking. And once that's all done, I can back out again and then just hit this done button right up here. Now that's going to upload all of the files that I need. So that's been a kind of a quick introduction on how to upload files and pictures using the OneDrive application. Like I said, please just go forward using OneDrive instead of trying to access files either through the website or via the SharePoint application. The SharePoint application does allow us to do a lot of things, but we're just going to focus on getting everybody on the same page for OneDrive and how to use that application for now. So with that, I will wrap up this video. Please contact me if you have any other questions.